Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Installing a hitch on your Toyota RAV4 can lead to some amazing adventures, such as biking, camping, or road trips to your favorite destination. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Now let's take a look at how to complete this B&W hitch installation. You'll need the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. B&W has designed this hitch for a very clean look with no cutting to the fascia, no interference to the hands-free liftgate if your vehicle has one. As well, the receiver pin is very easy to access. There's no restrictions, as well as the amount of accessories you can use are not restricted by the length of a shallow receiver. Additionally, our safety chain eyes are not going to create a situation where the chains will dangle off the back of our fascia. We will begin by removing stickers from the outside of the frame rail. Use a sharp object to puncture the sticker and remove it from the vehicle body. We can now loosely install our side plates using the M12 hardware and 1/2-inch conical tooth washers. Teeth of the washer face the hitch. Now repeat on the other side. The crossbar is now ready to be raised into position. I will be using the U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you do not have one, I recommend getting a second set of hands. Now use the 3/8 cap screws and flange nuts to secure the hitch. You can now tighten and torque the hardware to the manufacturer's specifications that I will link in the description below. I'm going to use a 19mm socket, and we're going to start with the frame hardware. Due to the tight spaces, you may need to use a open-ended or boxed end or ratcheting wrench to tighten this hardware. Hitch Pros, we're going to use our 19mm torque adapter. Hitch Pros, remember to scan the QR code for the setup guide to set the wrench to use the adapter. Now switch to a 14mm socket and an additional 14mm wrench so we can tighten the 3/8 hardware. Don't forget to lower your torque setting. Use a short extension here rather than having to lower your exhaust. Now that our hitch is installed, we've pulled the vehicle onto level ground to share with you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 4 inches. From the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 14 inches. From the ground to the bottom of the receiver is 11.5 inches, still higher than our factory 8-inch clearance. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories like ball mounts, bike racks, and cargo carriers. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.